Hello everyone. I'm Evelyn Morrison, Maddie's older sister, and we have a guest speaker here.
Hello everyone. I'm Alexa Watkins. And welcome to the 6th episode of the Mathematics with Evelyn series.
And before we start this episode, I would like to say that yesterday was my birthday. I'm now 21 years old, which means I'm now a fully grown adult and I can drink and play in casinos. But I'm not going to drink alcoholic beverages because I don't want to risk my life. But feel free to wish me a happy 21st birthday in the comments. Okay, thank you all for the birthday wishes in the comments below. Now, we are going to start with our lesson.
Fact number 1, 37 is a prime number. Not just any prime number. It is the 12th prime number. When you reverse the digits of the number 37, you get another prime number, which is 73, making 37 an IMERP. Coincidentally, the indices of 73's prime number position are also inversed, making 73 the 21st prime number. And like we said in the last episode, 73 is Sheldon Cooper's favorite number for that reason, as he mentioned in the 73rd episode of The Big Bang Theory.
Fact number 2, 37 is a magical number. When you multiply 37 by any multiple of 3 less than 30, you get a 3-rep digit number. 37 times 3 equals 111, 37 times 6 equals 222, 37 times 9 equals 333, 37 times 12 equals 444, 37 times 15 equals 555, 37 times 18 equals 666, 37 times 21 equals 777, 37 times 24 equals 888, and 37 times 27 equals 999.
Fact number 3, the magic square of 31, 73, and 7 in the top row, 13, 37, and 61 in the middle row, and 67, 1, and 43 in the bottom row, where 37 is in the absolute center, is the smallest possible magic square with all primes as well as the number 1, where the rows, columns, and diagonals all sum up to 111. Let's verify it. 31 plus 73 plus 7 equals 111, 13 plus 37 plus 61 equals 111, 67 plus 1 plus 43 equals 111, 31 plus 13 plus 67 equals 111, 73 plus 37 plus 1 equals 111, 7 plus 61 plus 43 equals 111, 31 plus 37 plus 43 equals 111, and 7 plus 37 plus 67 equals 111. That is proof that the sums of rows, columns, and diagonals all equal 111.
Fact number 4, for any multiple of 37, you can create another multiple of 37 by transferring the first digit to the end of the number. Let's take the number 703 for example. If you put the 7 at the end of the number, you will simply get 37, which is, of course, a multiple of 37. Now let's take the invisible 0 and put it at the end, and you will get 370, another multiple of 37. And now, let's put the 3 at the end, and now you're back where you started, 703. Okay, that was too easy. Let's try another example, but this time, with a number that doesn't have a 0. Let's try 148. When you put the number 1 at the end, you get 481, which is divisible by 37. Now put the number 4 at the end, and you get 814, another multiple of 37, and now, put the 8 at the end, and now you're back to where you started, of course, 148.
Fact number 5, 1 over 37 is equal to 0.027, with the 027 part after the decimal point repeating. And conversely, 1 over 27 is equal to 0.037, where the 037 part is repeating since the product of 27 and 37 is equal to 999.
Fact number 6, 1 over e, where e is the equivalent to Euler's method is equal to approximately 37%. This is known as the secretary method.
Fact number 7, when asked to pick a random number between 0 and 100, the most commonly picked number is 37, excluding 0, 50, and 100, since they're all too easy. A video that I'm talking about will be linked in the description if you want to know more.
And before we go to the 8th fact, keep in mind, The next two facts are not mathematical based, but scientific based. But anyways, fact number 8, MGC 2169 has an asterism in the form of the number 37, due to its resemblance of the numerals.
And last but not least, fact number 9, the average body temperature of a human in Celsius is 37 degrees, which is the equivalent to 98.6 degrees in Fahrenheit.
Anyways, that's enough for now. I hope you all enjoyed learning that 37 is more common than you all thought, and thank you all the birthday wishes to whoever wished me. The next episode will be about the number 67, and Alexa will once again be featured.
And before we sign off, we recommend watching the video in the description to learn more about the number 37 and why it's everywhere. This is me and Evelyn signing off. See you in the next episode.